Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Well, in last video I had mentioned that I'm gonna be starting with this video where I'll be making a painting for my boss's room. Well, this particular board is actually very rectangular-ish and can be occupied by using 3 ivory sheets. Since ivory sheet is one base that is brilliant for colors, acrylic especially, and can be used for a long period, as I mentioned many times earlier as well, that this is a sturdy sheet, it's strong and stays for quite a long time. And this place where I'm gonna be putting and showcasing this painting, I'll show you in the end how it was displayed and how it was looking in the end, so stick around and watch the entire video. Well, the subject of the artwork here is to painting, the purpose is to add a motivational quote to a colorful background. So colorful background is lily pads. It's one of my favorite topic. Every time I think of creating a painting or some sort of an artwork, I'm always drawn to this subject where water is involved, where there are shades of blue, cerulean colors, cerulean blues, yellows and greens, and lovely soothing shades. It really catches my attention. So yes, why not? So then again, I look for a quote similar which could fit in quite well with the artwork at the base. So here what you see before yourself is I'm trying to make these lily pads in all sorts of shades of greens and lemon yellows and ochre and all of them. So just take a look. Though I did try, it's a little bit lengthy video, so bear with me as I showcase. See why I tried, because these are the projects which you can only take up during the weekends, because that is when the students are not there, you are not occupied with classes as such. So this is one in uninterrupted time wherein you can work in peace at one such great length. So I wanted to create a sort of a time lapse for you to see how I work around, from creating all sort of basic colors se leke how I create the finished artwork. So the colors that I have used is golden yellow, lemon green, sap green, umber, and slowly and gradually I am creating the shades of the lily pads here. Whatever is on the top, of course the layers are gonna be there obviously, so whatever is on the top catches the maximum light, therefore it's always in the most brightest color, and as the lily pads which are little underneath, they will be in a darker shades, and जो उसके नीचे होंगे वो और dense shade में आ जाएंगे. So kind of the limited color palette that I had, I did try to catch the entire look and feel of the artwork. See, the beauty of a painting is always in the contrast. Well, not essentially yes, but in this particular case it is. Well, so there is this beautiful color in blue shades, cerulean blue सा आता है, that is actually वो that Goan beach के ऊपर colors होते हैं ना, बिल्कुल that cerulean color, little bit of green is there in that color. So I happened to went to Sadar, there I got that particular color of that shade, जिसको alone आप ऐड करोगे कलर में तो वो लाइफ आ जाता है, that happy, that beachy feeling and you know fresh pond का feel आ जाता है. So I was very happy that I had that sort of a blue color with me. So bright of blues and the depth of Persian blue really brings out the painting. The brushes that I always use is flat color brushes. ये फाइन आर्ट के ब्रशेस वगैरह रहते हैं. You have to be very careful with them. Not that I'm always very careful with them. बच्चे भी यूज़ करते हैं स्कूल में, कई टाइप के सीनियर्स आते हैं, तो ब्रशेस तो वेरी फ्रीक्वेंटली वो ख़राब होते ही रहते हैं. बट एटलीस्ट उस तरीके से ख़राब नहीं होते जिसके अंदर कि उनको अनअटेंडेड छोड़ दो. और सिंस थोड़ी देर भी अगर ये बाहर रहते हैं, यूज़ नहीं रहते हैं, तो सीमेंट की तरह वो टाइट हो जाता है, तो विच इज़ ऑफ नो यूज़ टू एनी वन आफ्टर दैट. So this is one instruction we give to our students time and again, to be very very careful with the brushes, because these are one expensive lot, and I'm always very comfortable working with the flat color brushes. I'm nearly done with the leaves here, and now won't get that video done where I was working with blue. So here is one look जिसके अंदर I'm creating a contrast in shades of blue. Persian blue, cobalt blue, cerulean blue, उन्हीं सबका, and yes of course purples. देखने में तो लगता है कि शायद एक ही कलर का वो लाइट एंड डार्क शेड है, मगर पेंटिंग में इट्स नेवर सो. आप जितनी आपकी ऑब्जर्वेशन आप शार्प करोगे उतना यू विल स्टार्ट सीइंग द कलर्स. देयर इज ऑलवेज अ डैश ऑफ पर्पल, डैश ऑफ शेड्स ऑफ ब्लू, ऑफ कोर्स ग्रीन्स के साथ ब्लेंड करके. कहीं आपको शैडोज चाहिए ब्लू के अंदर, तो यू ऑलवेज वर्क विद क्रिम्सन. ब्लू के साथ क्रिम्सन ले लीजिए, या डेंस पर्पल. अगर आपके पास रॉ कलर्स हैं तो व्हाई नॉट, नहीं तो यू विल हैव टू क्रिएट देम. अब जैसे जैसे ही इनकी लीव्स के नीचे डालेंगे तो वहाँ पे वो शैडोज आती जा रही हैं, तो जो कि आपके आर्ट वर्क को, जो ऊपर लीव्स हैं उनको भी एक वॉल्यूम दे देता है, लेयरिंग दे देता है, डेप्थ आ जाती है. सो स्लोली एंड ग्रेजुअली आई एम बिल्डिंग द शेड्स हियर, एंड बिफोर आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग विद द पेंटिंग ऑल फोर साइड्स हैव कवर्ड विद अ 1 इंच टेप. मास्किंग टेप नहीं था, नहीं तो मज़ेदार तो ये होता कि मास्किंग टेप होता तो उसको फिर बाद में पील करते तो वो जैसे क्रिस्प करारा सा बॉर्डर आ जाता है. दैट लुक्स वेरी वेरी नाइस. बट हियर दिस टाइम आई फाउंड आउट दैट द सेलो टेप ऑल्सो, इफ़ यू रब एंड try and clean the edges, the paint comes off. So then again, purpose is always to keep the edges white of a certain height all around. So that worked. Lately I have become a real big fan of brush pens. So here also in the end I did give it little bit of touches and dashes of brush paints here and there. In this particular painting you can see that on the right top corner there is deliberately I have left out this lighter shades of blue, because that's where I intend to put my coat. Since it is a part in the office where people will come and attend to so many upcoming projects in the class, you know, the work is never ending in school. So I wanted to put a quote there which actually is quite meaningful, and also it binds the artwork quite well. पेंटिंग को भी एक पर्पस मिल जाता है. एंड ऑब्वियसली आई एम वेरी केयरफुल कि कहीं पेंटिंग वो कैलेंडर ना लगने लग जाए, बिकॉज बहुत फाइन लाइन है किसी भी आर्टी चीज़ को कन्वर्ट होने में. दैट सॉर्ट ऑफ अ कैलेंडरिश लुक, आई डिडंट वांट दैट. आई वांटेड इट टू लुक लाइक अ पेंटिंग बट विद अ वेरी lovely quote added to it. Here in the painting you will observe that there are two lotuses also, which were there to add a little bit of variety to the artwork. पानी के अंदर हाइलाइट्स तो छोड़ी हैं वाइट कलर की, but with the dash of pink and little bit of that flower which is added to the painting brings life to the entire look. Just trying to add shadows to leaves here so that they become little more separated and just don't look like a patch. तो वो जो 3D फील देने के लिए थोड़ा बहुत आपको ध्यान रखना पड़ता है कहाँ पे शैडोज आ रही हैं, कहाँ पे उसका डेप्थ की ज़रूरत है. Done with the painting here. Though people make such long videos and I get jittery if it is a little bit longer. So stick around, do watch.